Namhlanje mfethu ngifuna nje ukukhuluma ngemessage ebaluleke kakhulu mfethu about honoring your calling. A message engithe mangiyibuka lena ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi bazosizakala ngayo. Ngisaqala nje khona ivesi lapha eBhayibhelini noma iportion engiyithanda kakhulu. uEzekiel 33 ukhuluma ngokuthi uNkulunkulu uthi ngibeke iwatchman noma ngibeke umlindi ukuthi abe esesicongweni aqaphe impi ezobe izohlasela isizwe. Le watchman ebekiwe kuthiwa umsebenzi wayo ukuthi makwenzeka kuba khona izitha ezihlaselayo, umsebenzi wayo ukuthi iphephethe itrumpet noma iphephethe icilongo ilifuthe. Ukulifutha kwakhe icilongo kuzokwenza ukuthi kusizakala abantu abasesizweni. So lento mangiyibuka into ebalekile ngoba umsebenzi ngokuba iwatchman ubukeka kuumsebenzi ojwayelekile noma olula, kodwa ubuka uNkulunkulu ngazothi lena iposition estrategic. Iposition uNkulunkulu athi umeyibeka mfethu abeke umuntu amthembayo ukuthi nakuba le role ibukeka isimple kodwa umuntu engizombeka uzodlala indima enkulu. Uma uqhubeka leli verse ulifunda about iwatchman uthi uNkulunkulu makuzofika impi esizweni lona angayiphephethi icilongo, igazi laba abalimele lizobuzwa kulo obekade enikezwe irole yokuthi afuthe icilongo. Why ngisho njalo mfethu? Baningi abantu abanikwe ama-strategic positions by uNkulunkulu, but i-challenge abanawo bawathatha kancane lawo ma-positions benganakile ukuthi uNkulunkulu yini afuna ukuyenza. Amanye ama-reasons awu 2 izathu ezimbili engifisa namhlanje sikhulume ngazo. Masibuka about honoring your calling, abanye abantu into ebalimazayo uku-undermine i-calling yabo. Thola ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukugcobile kwirole yakho but wena uyayi-undermine. Khona abantu uvuma mfethu umuthi yababheka babizelwe nje mfethu ukuthi basakaze ngabo 12 midnight 12 to 3 you know. Uthola ukuthi bayayinyeza ngaleyo nto mfethu. Mabethi bayakhuluma kubantu ukuthi basebenze eredweni bona basebenza ngo12, abantu bathi hayibo ubani osuke elalele ngaleso sikhathi, you know.
Ngoba siyahlekwa phela.
Yes, kuthiwa ngoba abantu besuke belele ngaleso sikhathi usakaza nobani, yabo lento le. Umuntu abe nokuyi-undermine angabe sabuka ukuthi uNkulunkulu umbeke kwi-strategic position. Uthola ukuthi mfethu ngenkathi abantu kuthiwa i-graveyard shift abantu balele, uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi khona odokotela ngalezo yikhathi, khona onesi, khona abantu abama-security guard, khona abantu abadrive ama-truck ebusuku, kube khona mfethu abantu abaqwashile ebusuku abangakwazi ukulala abazothola ukuphila simply because God has put you in a strategic position. Le midnight role uNkulunkulu akunike yona is not because ikulahlelwe, it's because there's that thing uNkulunkulu ayifakile kuwe ozothi uma uminister around the time kube khona abantu mfethu abecabanga uyibulala around the time bazolizwa izwi lakho. So I just want to talk to umuntu right now obeke kwi-strategic position but i-challenge yakhe uyayi-undermine irole. It could be a simple thing like blowing a trumpet, but if you honor that because God has put you there for reasons, abantu bazophila. It could be closing igate, but uNkulunkulu mekubeke lapho abantu kuleyo nkaphana usebenza kuyo bazophila. Iphuzu lesibili engifuna ukuconclude ngalo futhi elibalulekile, abanye abantu futhi bagcina sebestrugglisha ukuhonorisha uNkulunkulu. Why? Because they glorify themselves instead of honoring their calling. They glorify themselves instead of honoring their calling.
Self-promotion and so forth.
Exactly. Ugcina ungabe usakwazi ukuminister kule calling uNkulunkulu akubeke kuyo ngobani uzibona usumkhulu kakhulu. Ngizocela ukwenza isibonelo ngami mfethu. This is not out of pride, but I have done kade ngizama ukount, I've lost the count, but I've done close to 30 radio station ama-interviews kuma different radio stations, you know. Lana mfethu sibuka SABC, sibuka even ama-radio stations from outside South Africa. I have done ama-interviews with those radio stations, but every time kuba khona i-request ukuthi ngiyokhuluma kuma-community radio stations, angibe nakho ukubukela phansi ukuthi ayingeke labantu bafuna isikhathi sami ngeke ngikwazi ukuyokhuluma kuma-radios. Sometimes vuma mfethu with all due respect ufika kuma-radio stations amanye ungawazi, you know, you're not even sure how many listeners are there, but you always go there and you give your A game because i-ministry and the honor ayibuka ukuthi bangakanani abantu ozobukhuluma nabo, but ibuka ukuthi lo muntu oyedwa ozobelalele. Kubalulekile ukuthi uma ukhuluma ungazothi kulalela ama-thousands ngoba one soul is important. So when God has entrusted you with a calling, make sure ukuthi awuziboni umkhulu ngaphekwe calling. Ugcina usuthi angeke ngize ngizokhuluma lapho uma ukuthi aninayo inamba ethile yabantu. Yes. So we are all putting my strategic positions and we need to honor uNkulunkulu ngalonto. Sengiconclude mfethu iquote yami la ngifisa ukuyilento. I-true promotion comes when we honor the calling. Honor where you are placed. Ngisho ngathi umsebenzi udeleleke kanjani. Uma uzo-honorisha lo msebenzi i-calling yakhe izoba khona. uMartin Luther King mfethu nali iphuza ke walisho simazi kakhulu uMartin Luther King. Uthi if a man is called to be a street sweeper, he should sweep streets so well that the host of heaven and earth will pause to say, here lived a great street sweeper who did his job so well. uNkulunkulu ekubizile ukuthi wena umsebenzi wakho ukushanela imigwaqo. Kufanele ushanele imigwaqo ngalendlela ukuthi ingelosi mazithi ziyadlula zizoma zithi cha lana kushanelanga noma uba umuntu oshanele la ugcotshiwe. You know, there are people who are anointed vuma mfethu ukusebenza kuma community radio stations. God is making big waves ngabo kuma community radio stations, but bazibukela phansi ngoba bona they think their breakthrough is when they are working for my SABC. Work where you are, where God has placed you. Honor your calling. That's all I want to say this morning. Honor your calling where God has placed you. That's where your true promotion will come. God is love. Thank you so much.